Hey friends, if you encounter the error "we can't reach this page" in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on this bin symbol, change the time range to all time, make sure cookies and cache are selected, click on clear now. The next option is to enable IPv6, so search for ncpa.cpl. Okay, click on this. Okay, press the Windows key R button, type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the Wi-Fi network or any active network, select properties, and then make sure that this checkbox associated with Internet Protocol version 6 is checked, then click on OK. The next solution is to start the DNS client service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the DNS client service, right click on it and then select restart, but usually you won't even have that option, it will already be started. The next one is to change the default DNS. Press the Windows key and the R button together, type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the active network, select properties, double click on Internet Protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server address. The default address is 8.8.8.8. The alternate one is 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK. The last solution is to reset Microsoft Edge. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings from the menu, go to reset settings, click on restore settings to their default value and select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.